Hi guys, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you this absolutely stunning Vauxhall Corsa Stinger 1.2, one previous owner, and here's the best bit, it's only done 14,330 odd miles. How's about that? 14,000 miles, 2016 Stinger in the best colour. How cool does that look? So what we're going to do is take you around the car, take you inside the car and go from there. Alright, so here's the first bit. Great colour combination. Some of these they do a red one, but the red and the white is a really strong colour, but I think the white and the grey I think really goes well. I mean, if the car's done 14,000 miles, that's about 1,400 miles a year. The car's been nowhere. Taking in all the wheels, down the line of the car. Taking in the roof. These stickers usually break up over a few years with the sunlight, but they're all good on this particular car. Now, this was a Category N car, and the reason being, it had a dent in the tailgate, okay? And all we've done is replaced the tailgate with another one, in colour. That is it. That's all we've done. So it's absolutely lovely. So great MOT history report sheet. It's 7 or 8 and it's had one failure or advisory. It's the 1.2. 16 plate, as you can see, 14,000+ miles. It's just beautiful. Anyway, there you go. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi guys, it's Phil again. So what we're going to do now, guess what? We're going to take the inside in. So we're going to show you the inside now. So here we go. So this is, as you can see, the engine bay, and just how lovely is that? But as I've said to you, it's what you would expect. The car has only done 14,000 miles, so you wouldn't expect anything different. But just how lovely is it? So there you have the engine bay. So what we'll do now is we'll go inside the cabin, starting with the driver's side door card. So we'll have a good look round. You have electric windows, electric door mirrors. You get your speaker system there. So that's all nice. I mean, I know I'm going on about it, but it's only done 14,000 miles. I mean, it's just, it's in pretty good condition, as you can see. So there's all your switch gear, stereo, CD, and what have you. You've got your computer plug in there, your pedals. Look at the bolsters, all as they should be. Taking in the rear doors. So you've got your Isofix there. Fit 3 in the back at a squeeze. Just look at the carpet quality, headlining. It's just really nice. So this is an interesting bit. So the boot, how interesting can a boot be? Well, let me just tell you. So there's the boot lid and what have you. What somebody has done is they've got all the blow up kit, the towing eye, all the tools that you need, but then what they have done, and this I think is the quality of the person that owned it before, you've got a spare wheel, which is really, really unusual. They never come with spare wheels, or if they do, they don't come with the compressor and all the kit. So it just tells you what the previous owner was like. So, passenger side door card. Electric window, as you can see. The door card is in super condition. Taking in the dashboard. All nicely. You've got your locking wheel up there. Again, just look at the bolsters. Just taking all the seats. And it's all as it should be. Taking in the rear seats as well. Got head restraints on the back as well, which is nice. Head restraints on the front, and they're adjustable as well. So there you have it. So, lovely miles on the car. One previous owner, 2016, okay? 12 months MOT in it. Regarding the MOT, I just forgot to tell you this, regarding the MOT, it's had, I think, 7 or 8 passes and 1 failure. So you've got brilliant MOT history report sheet on it. Done 14,000+ miles. As I said, one previous owner. Category N, as I've explained to you. But bargain of a car. It's the Stinger. It's the 1200cc. It is the one to have. So if you need any further information on the car, give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Give us a call, give us a thumbs up on the video, give us a comment on the video, and the best thing of all, subscribe to the channel, because I do this every day, day in, day out. So subscribe, give me some feedback. Anyway, love to sit here from you. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.